So I'll copy monitor these auxes as well so we won't have to make them later on. So we go to the collaborate tab, and then from the copy monitor option we'll hit select link, then options. Here we go to the grids tab, so we can put this either on copy original or leave it be, so we'll do the latter. Then OK, and then we'll go to the copy option that we have here. Then I'll check the multiple box and click drag here. So I'll open up the filters here, check none, then check the grids. OK, and then hit finish. After that, we go to the copy monitor tab again and finish here as well. Alright, now we go to the insert tab up here and then open up the manage links menu. Then select the Revit file that we have here and then we'll remove it. This way our structural file will be lighter. OK. After that, we'll save the file. Let us see where. Let me go to the file samples folder that we have here, and then I'll create a new folder and I'll name it S-08-08-99. Alright, then I open up the folder and then I'll save the file to the same name that we used. Alright, then from the options menu that we have here, let's put the maximum backups at 10, for example. And here I'll create the backups folder as well. Okay, after that, let's go to the north view. Let's see where the structural plan is. It's here. So here I'll click right and hit the select all instances and then select visible in view. Then here right click again and hit maximize 3D extents. Alright, now let's go back to the north view. Here let's select these and pull them up a bit. Alright, and after this we need to create some levels down here as well. So this level that's minus 2.5, this is above the foundation that we have. So I'll rename it and I'll type str-t.o.f, short for top of foundation. And there we go. So click yes on this window. And after that, we go to the level 2, select it from here. And then from the plan view types option, I'll just select the structural plan that we have here. Then OK. So this is going to be above the lean concrete that we have. And then from the level menu that we have here, I'll select the structural level and then I'll create the level like this. So this one I'll name M, short for maigre or lean concrete. Yes, here. And then after that, here I'll create another level for the second maigre and I'll name it M2. And after that, we'll create a new level for the elevator. So I'll just name it the elevator. And there we go. Alright, hit yes here. And then we get to the height of each level. Here, put the scale to 1/5. So for the first maigre level, we have minus 3.4. So I'll just type in minus 3400. After that, we'll type in minus 4400 for the elevator. And then for the M2, we have minus 4000. Alright, so here I'll select all of the levels and hit maximize 3D extents. And then here select the axis and right click select all instances in entire project and then maximize. Alright, after this, let's go back to the AutoCAD file. Here, let's close the architectural plan for now. So click yes here. And then let's see, let's go here. So here in the plan, as you can see, we have two different types of spots or hatchings. We'll just leave the back filing for now. We don't have anything to do with that. So we have the spots here that have different types of codes. All right, now let's see after this. Let's see if we have anything to do here. All right. And here, all right, so nothing here either. Let's go to the next plan here. All right, let's leave this for now. We don't have anything to do with this one either. And then the next one here, we have the guard structure and foundation plan. We'll leave this as well. We won't touch it for now. And then let's see what else. Here we have how to implement the foundation in two different floor levels. And it's talking about the spots that we had here. All right, now let's load this file. So I'll select it from here, then Control C, then Control N, and then here we have ACAD ISO. Open this up, and then here Control V to paste it. So here I'll just get rid of the extra text that we have. We just don't need them. And then I'll hide the hatchings that we have here. We don't need them, but leave this one so we'll know where is difference. After that, explode on here, right click on this, and then select similar. All right, after that, select distance from up here, and then draw a line here. That, type in UN and then enter to open up the drawing units menu. Put this on meters and then OK. After that, PU to open up the purge menu. Click on purge all items, purge all, and there we go. Here, select similar again. All right, right click again and then select similar again. And then do the same for this one as well. All right, let's go here. Right click, select similar. There we go. Get rid of this one too. And then this one. All right, type in PU again. Then purge all again. All right, enter here. And for now, I'll just select this point here as our base point. Type in 0, 0. And after that, I'll hit Ctrl S to save the file. Let's see where we should save it. In the BIM course, open up the structure model folder, and then the files, and then CAD, and then here I'll name the file foundation. Let me just add in 01 to the name and then save. So here in the AutoCAD file, we'll right click on the tab that we have here, and here select copy full file path. After that, let's go back to Revit file. Here we open up the top of foundation level, and then from the insert tab up here, select link CAD option. Then I'll select the file that we created, and then using white and black color, cancel this. Here, let me open up the project units, and then I'll put the units on meters, 2 decimal places, and then M here. And then OK here. All right, open up the link CAD again and paste the name again. Black and white this color, and then for unit, we'll select meter. Here, select the manual origin option, and then open it up. When you don't actually know the origin of the file, you put it on manual origin so you can select it manually. All right, let's do something here. Cancel here as well. And let's go back to the tab that we had here in the file. Then here in the AutoCAD, I'll open up the architectural plan. Let's see. OK here. Then ignore. Up here, select open. Back. And then in the file samples folder, ArchDWG, I'll just select one of the files that we have here, for example, the 0 file, and then I'll open it up. And now our base point is clear. It's right here in the stairs. So therefore, if I select the aux lines that we have here, and then I'll go here and Control C on this, and then I'll pull it here and then hit Control V, our issue is solved. So now I want this as the base point. Alright, so type in M, enter, then I'll select this point, and then this corner connects to this one here. And there we go. Alright, delete this one, then M, enter, and then I'll select all of it. And then, alright, let's see. So we go to the foundation tab, and then here, M, enter here, then Shift plus right click, and then select midpoint. Then Shift plus square, and then type in 0 and 0. Alright, so because I've copied the file here, some extra information has been carried as well, so we'll just purge all, then Ctrl S to save it, then I'll close this, then here copy in this tab, and then we go to the Revit file. Here from the CAD option, and then here we'll put this on the auto origin to internal origin option. So we have meter here, and then we open it up. So we can link the architectural plan here as well. Let me open up the menu from here, the import menu. We just have to make sure to put this on internal origin to internal origin setting. Then open. We just have to make sure that the files match up completely, the two structural and architectural plans that we have. Because if we go forward from here, you'll see issues and errors popping up, which will ruin your work. So just make sure to set them up now, because doing it later on will be really difficult. So we'll go to the ground floor plan, and it all looks just fine. So let's go back to the structural tab, and here the AutoCAD file that we'll put here. For the base level, we'll select the ground floor, and then we go to the ground floor structural plan, and let's see. So it all looks fine. Alright, after this, let me see. Let's go back to the insert tab from up here, and then from the options, we'll select the manage link. And then I'll remove the Revit file just so we can reduce the size of the file. And then I'll just save the file.